Hello, Reactor Lab here, and today I will be showing you guys a few specimens of uraninite that I have. So in each of these containers, there are containers with bags with sealed uraninite samples inside. So now let me show you guys the samples. So now that I have taken all of these samples out of their containers, you can see each one of these bags, and they all have a tiny little pebble of uraninite, if you can see that. Now we have samples that are tiny and some that are quite large. Quarter there for demonstration, so that piece is about quarter sized, like a little bit smaller than a quarter. I'll put that up again there so that you can see for comparison. So I've actually moved all of these samples onto a notebook just so you can see the contrast a little bit better. That looks way better, but each one of these pebbles in here is either pure or nearly pure uraninite. And if I grab a detector, let's just grab a GMC 500 Plus real quick. Turn that on. Now you can see count rate above them all is definitely elevated. This one's the spiciest. About 11,000 counts per minute. That's a solid 5,000. This is 4,500, 4,600-ish. So yeah, you can see the beta and gamma radiation combined is quite spicy. If I grab a model S2, then I plunk this down right here. Just for fun, we'll put it on the hottest sample. You can see on contact that is about 10 microsieverts per hour on contact, and then you can see just backing up, it drops down quite significantly. In fact, if I just go to counts per minute so that it refreshes faster, it's basically background just from a few inches away, right up close to the sources. They're quite spicy. Let's grab a S2L just for fun. This one is the one that gives us really nice count rates. So if I take this away for a minute, just there you can see here it's about 2,300, 2,500. So a little higher than background because of these guys right here. But if we bring them in, he screams quite angrily. If I set this down and then pick one of these up and put it right up against the sensor there, about 150,000, 160, 165, 168. Let's see if we can get 170. Put that right up there. And no, 70,000 counts per minute. So 165 is about average. And then if we grab this guy and put him right up against, he's an angry little guy. So you can hear all of these rocks are quite quite angry guys. They're all beautiful specimens. Now, the thing about all of these is these all actually came from the same vein in Denver. So, if I just grab my phone real quick, see if my radio code connected to it, and just get a nice gamma spectrum of this guy. Silence that for just a minute. If I just leave this to gather data for a minute, I will let this do its thing. Meanwhile, cue the clips of close-up shots of minerals. Yay! Alright, so it's finally done accumulating, and you can see the most noticeable peaks that I've just scrolled over are thorium-232 chain peaks, which is not surprising. If I scroll over that one, you can see it aligns with quite a few of the gamma ray energies. If I just boost signals there, the most obvious ones are the radium-226 and thorium decay chain. There we go. Now we can see uranium-235. The peaks there are quite noticeable. So, between this and that. So, yeah. Just thought I'd show you guys some cool spicy rocks from Denver, Colorado. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, subscribe, do all those wonderful things. See you guys in the next one.